My name is Mandy Dyke. I'll be performing C sharp major scale with C sharp minor, and I will be performing A flat major with A flat minor for C sharp major. Now C sharp minor. Now we're going to do A flat major. Now A flat minor.